Alright, so 15, let's talk about this. We don't have to do a ton of algebra, but we can look at the algebra to see why it makes sense. So sine squared can be rewritten as 1 over cosecant squared, because they're reciprocals. Cosine can be rewritten as 1 over secant squared. Secant squared theta. So then, remember from the last problem, last video, we showed that cosecant squared times secant squared equals secant squared plus cosecant squared, right? Multiplying them together is the same as adding them together. So just because it's 1 over this now doesn't mean that we won't get that same result. So remember that we rewrote cosecant squared as 1 plus cotangent squared theta. And we rewrote secant squared as 1 plus tangent squared theta. And then when we FOIL these out, when we use the distributive property, stuff cancels out and we're left with secant squared theta plus cosecant squared theta. We don't actually have to show that algebra again. We can just say that because cosecant squared times secant squared equals secant squared plus cosecant squared, and because sine squared is the reciprocal of cosecant, and cosine squared is the reciprocal of secant, then sine squared times cosine squared must be equal to 1 over secant squared plus cosecant squared. And we can reference that last result that we got in number 14. That's it. Work smart, not hard.